Hi, drawing the Volvo XC40, the award-winning SUV. I start my drawing with the first stage, which is sketching, and by sketching I use an HB pencil. So at the start of the sketch I encourage myself to make a ton of mistakes so that I can have the right proportion of the drawing itself. So having an erase at this point in time, it's a must. One thing I observed on the design of this car is that it's got a lot of sharp angles, which becomes a disadvantage because I don't use mathematical instruments or technical drawing instruments. However, while drawing I came up with my own technique of just being playful with the design itself. And in the process I ended up having around 70% accuracy from the main image, which is the reference picture. Then I grabbed a 2B graphite pencil and started shading from the roof rails down to the front windshield, where I added more graphite dark tones with a 6B pencil. The dark shadow in the wheel housing I used is 6B pencil and 3B pencil on the tire to differentiate the tones on the two objects. And I used the same technique even through the front tire housing and the tire itself. The 6B pencil came back to the rescue on the shading underneath the car and gave it a dark, realistic look. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'm hoping to see you next time. Bye.